Yo! What a sweetness. What a aroma sweet. Yeah guys, around here. In my kitchen, me there. Yeah man. Daddy D around here. Welcome back guys to Daddy D TV. Today I'll be making some vegan food. So yeah, I'll be cooking some callaloo and coconut rice. So this is my chopped callaloo. Yeah, I'll be using this in the rice, and this is the coconut milk over here, and this piece of pumpkin here I'll be using it in my curry stew with some sweet potato, Irish, some chickpeas, butter bean, green bean, carrot, all these lovely ingredients. I'm gonna incorporate them and make a lovely vegan dish, Daddy D style. Stay tuned because a bag of things are going around here soon forward. Yeah guys, pot boiling up, so I'm gonna get the vegetables in. A sweet potato, pumpkin and Irish, and with some carrots over here. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get them in and let them cook. Meanwhile, this spot I'm gonna get my callaloo in. Yeah, that's my wash callaloo, chopped callaloo. Yeah, so I'm gonna get it in the pot. But before I do, let me get my milk in, coconut milk. Yeah, that's coconut milk in there. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing in, callaloo in as well. Some chopped garlic, and chopped spring onion as well. Green pepper, some thyme as well. Some vegetable stock. And give it a stir. Yeah guys, you don't have to add any salt to this because you know the vegetable stock already a bit salty, so yeah, once you put that in, you're good. So I'm gonna let this go and simmer for a bit. Yeah, then I'm gonna wash my rice and add it to it. Yeah, so stay tuned. Check in. Pot is boiling up, so I'm gonna get the rice in now. Woyoy! Woyoy! Think you're wicked, man. Flavor wicked. Yeah, man. Go and see. So in the same time guys, I'm gonna start the curry stew. Right, just put a little vegan. Yeah, you can use whatever butter, vegan butter you wanna use guys. So yeah, I'm using mine, so yeah, just gonna wait until it smells. I'm gonna add these chopped spring onion, chopped onion and chopped chili. Yeah, there you go. And I've got a piece of thyme as well in my hand. So I'm going to go in at the thyme. chopped chili, onion and spring onion, everything. Just gonna get them in there. Got some chopped garlic and a piece of chopped scotch bonnet. I'm gonna get in there as well. Wow, yo! What a sweetness! What a aroma sweet! So you guys, this is my cooked vegetable. I forgot to show you that my vegetable finished cooked. Yeah, so this is it. Pumpkin, sweet potato and the Irish, carrot, everything cooked in it. So I'm gonna get everything in the pot there. Yeah, and then I'm gonna add some curry, coconut milk and all them things to it. Yeah man, so stay tuned. Bag of things again. Yeah, around here. Yeah man. So yeah. Whoa, smell coming from the pot. So nice, so delicious. Oh yoy. Yeah guys, around here. In my kitchen, me there. Yeah man. Daddy there around here. So yeah. We're gonna add no more than about 2 tablespoons of curry. Teaspoon now. Yeah man, that's it. I'm gonna go in with my coconut milk. Yeah, give it a stir. Look at the color, guys. Vibrant. Look at it. Yeah man, this is it man. So vibrant mackerel. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah man, creamy and nice. Wicked! Alright. Yeah guys, I'm gonna check on my curry stew. Yeah man. So let's go in. Oh yo! Alright, you know what? So here guys, I mix out 1 spoonful flour, so I'm gonna add it, just add it to it. Yeah, just 1 spoonful of flour. Just add to it, yeah? To give it a vibe. To give it a vibe. You know what I mean? Yeah man, got it this time, yeah. Yeah, so good. So good! So good! Yeah man, I tell you, wicked! It's no other for lie. So you guys, you can give it a go, I mean, give it a go man, and let me know what you think. Just drop it in the comment section, yeah man. Because I tell you, this thing is wicked. It's no word of a lie. So amazing, taste so lovely. Yeah. So yeah guys, the next time you see me, yeah man, I'll be plating up some of this lovely food, yeah I mean? Yeah man. So let me see what's going on for the Callaloo Coconut. Rice, like you ready to, you know. Yeah man, it's ready, you know. What yo? What yo? You guys not gonna believe me. I don't really need the stew for this. I'm telling you. I don't need the stew for this rice. It's wicked. But you guys, you know, when you cook this Callaloo rice, yeah, you don't want to cook it bland, you know what I mean? You want to put some seasoning in it. Yeah, vegetable stock, whatever stock you want to use in it. You know what I mean? So your thing can taste good. Yeah man, because right now I tell you this, I can't wait. I can't wait to get into dive into this. I tell you, that's how good this thing tastes. Yeah man. So yeah, give it a go. Yeah guys, this is it. Vegan dish. Callaloo coconut rice with curry stew. Yeah man. I'm gonna dig into it right about now. Yeah man, I can't wait. Yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy my dinner now. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. Watch where I'm going. Yeah, man. It's a good dish, guys. I'm excited. Really delicious. Not because I'm the one who chef it up, but I'm telling you.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
Look at you.
It's a good dish. Really nice. So yeah, guys, you can try it out, yeah, man. Give it a go. Easy like 1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, just get some callaloo, get your coconut milk, you know what I mean? And start with that thing. Quick. Callaloo rice. Callaloo rice with callaloo and coconut rice. Yeah, man, we get it right this time. Callaloo and coconut rice. Yeah, man, with courage too. Wicked. I never really have callaloo rice before. It's my first time having it. I mean, tell you, it's a shot. Yeah, man. Flavor just bursting in my mouth.
Yeah, boy. That's it. Is that lovely?
You guys would have to try this, no? And experience what I'm really talking about. It's no joke. Seriously, this is so delicious. Wicked! So you guys, remember, do the right thing. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. We're on here. Yeah, man. Daddy D. We out, yeah? So catch you in another video, guys. Peace out.
Do this to the like button. Okay? But don't break the phone or the TV.